Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Real GPL once again, and thank you very much for being our valued customer. Today I'm going to talk about a very good theme. The theme name is Exhibz. So if you are looking for a theme for exhibition site, event site, some occasion site, then in that case this is a very good theme for you. So I think you already have bought it and you might have downloaded it as well, which I already have done. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to my downloaded folder, which is the downloads, and you can see the Exhibz zip file here. First of all, unzip it, okay, using WinRAR or WinZip. After unzipping, you will get a folder. Inside that folder, if you go, you will see theme file which contains the parent theme, child theme, okay. Along with the theme files, there are plugin folder, manual data import file, okay, and then we have something called licensing, Elementor layouts and all, okay, and then the documentation. So let's start this process. First of all, go to your WordPress, then go to appearance, then go to themes and install the parent theme. Click on add new, click on upload theme, click on choose file, and then go to the respective folder, themes, parent theme, click on open, then click on install now. Once the parent theme is installed, we have to install the child theme, and we also have to activate the child theme, not the parent theme. So this is done. Let me click on themes again. Let me click on add new once again. Click on upload theme, click on choose file, choose Exhibz child and click on open, then click on install now. Once installed, just click on activate to activate the child theme. After the activation is done, we have to install the required plugins. For that, just click on begin installing plugins. Then select each and everything. Then from bulk action, choose install, then click on apply. This will install all the required plugins for Exhibz theme so that we can import demo accordingly. And while the plugins are getting installed, I would like to say something very important, and that is, if you have not joined our membership plans, you must join that, because after joining that you can access all our items and you can test all our items, and that too in a very low cost, like starting with $7 itself, okay. And if you like them, you can always go for VIP, which is for 1 year, or for the lifetime membership. And besides all this, we are also offering lifetime licenses in a lowest cost possible. So make sure to check out all the lifetime deals which we are providing. Now I think the plugin would have been installed. Yes, there are few plugins which are saying it's an error. I can see Elementor, okay. Let me see if it is installed. Let me click on plugins, and if I see that, then you can see Elementor was showing error, but it is installed. Unison is asking for update, so let me click on update. So once the Unison is updated, in my case it may not ask as well, so let me clear my cache once. Now it's time to go to the Unison section, okay. Just click on that and see if backup and demo content is activated. So it is already activated, we don't have to deactivate it. Now just go to tools and then click on demo content install, and then I'm going to install the main demo here. You can try other demo as well. So I'm going to click on main demo and just click on install here, click on OK, and it will start the demo install process for you, and it might take some time as well. So you can see like image sizes and all. So the process is already started, and it may take around in case of Exhibz 3 to 4 minutes max, okay. So we have to wait until the demo is getting imported, and once the demo is imported, you can start the customization process, and you can see that it is almost done now. The images are getting restored, okay. You can see the progress here. So the demo is properly installed and the page is reloading. Let us see that if we got the actual design or not. And yes, we can see that The actual design is coming as expected, okay? And the whole demo is imported. Now it's your turn to customize it. So that's it for this tutorial. I will see you in the next one, and make sure to check out our lifetime deals and the membership plans. I have given the link of this in the description. Thank you very much. Have a good day.